So guys, all right, so I want to talk about the proper way of taking off your front end loader. I mean, uh, taking it off is fine. I'm talking about taking the pressure out of your hydraulic lines. Okay? If you don't release the pressure in the hydraulic lines, what winds up happening is when you go to try to put it back on. I did a video earlier about if you can't get the connectors back on, um, because of the pressure left in the line. So if you're having problems putting the connectors back in, go ahead and check out that video. But anyway, so when you're taking off the front end loader, make sure it's on a level, somewhat at least level surface, because if the bucket winds up being in some odd place, you're not going to be able to take all the pressure out, and you're going to wind up having this problem all the time. So, so we got this off. So she moves a little bit as I'm releasing the pressure. All right, all right. So now we got all the pressure out. Hopefully. Now, in order to check to make sure everything worked out, when these go off, these right here, you should be able to push them down with your finger. This right here, this one's good. That one's good. All right, so all of these are good. All right, if this helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I hope this helped you out.